This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. This is a simple one today on how to turn on the gas stove after you've done your gas connection. So just pull the stove away from the wall, and then you're going to turn this valve so that it's 90 degrees of a turn, so it's in line with the gas line, and that means the gas can flow. If you have to turn it off, it's just opposite. You turn it 90 degrees away from the gas line, and that'll turn it off. And once it's on, you want to wait maybe 3 or 4 seconds. Once you turn on the burner, you won't get a burner that lights right away, but it'll be about a 4-second delay.
A little second for the gas to
And
start
that just
flowing.
takes a little bit of time for the gas to get up there.
There we go.
There we go. So
20th.
these are all working really well.
Ooh, nice flame. Wow.
You can spray Windex on the gas
Very good. Yeah, I
connections
like
prior to
Nice.
putting the stove back in, just to make sure that there's no leaks. Hope that's been helpful to you, and please subscribe when you get a chance.